Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the video mode. We can switch to the photo one, it doesn't really matter. Now let's tap on this 4 dots icon right here and tap on the settings. If you cannot find the settings, it means that probably you simply switched to the other position in this bar. So just go to the very left of this list and tap on the gear icon to open settings. Then scroll all the way down and find reset settings and simply tap on reset. We just got back to the camera. As you can see, we've got the instructions that appear at the very beginning. I mean, when you're opening the camera for the very first time, which means that we just successfully reset camera to the defaults. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.